Hey there! Today I share how I customized this box with leaves. Let's go! I started with this brown box and I didn't like the color of the box, as plain as it was. In addition, I wanted this to be a gift, so I thought adding a bit more color and make it a little bit more special in that way would be a great idea. I chose the design because I wanted to match everything together and the gift will match to the outside of the box. So I am going to add one of my pre-made harvest cards into this box and also a matching gift. And maybe in the future I'm sharing how I made this gift and what this gift is, because it's also handmade. In terms of materials, I have decided to use 6 acrylic markers for the leaves. And the reason I chose them is because they work very good on other surfaces rather than paper. So for example, cardboard or wood. I decided on 3 different leaf shapes and each leaf shape has its own color scheme. The lighter base color I'm laying down multiple times until I get a nice opaque result. So the first leaf design is very simple. I draw 2 rounded lines which connect on the bottom and the top and make sure that they are on the bottom half wider apart than on the top so that they become on the top more narrow. My first leaf shape is more rounded, but I'm sure a smaller one would work as well. The next leaf shape is a little bit more difficult, but still very easy to achieve. And here's a very simple alternative way how to do this. I start with a very narrow version of the first leaf and then add multiple bows to each side. I would recommend defining the tip shape more by turning it more into a bow. If you're insecure, you can practice on a separate piece of paper before you do it on your project. Sometimes it's also helpful to turn the project you are working on around so that you can work from another, more comfortable angle. For my last and final leaf design, I'm drawing the first leaf shape. I'm filling it in with color and finally adding some spikes on each side of the leaf. Sometimes I define the tip shape more by making it more narrow as well. Now it's time to finish the designs, and therefore I'm using the darker shade of each color. I start by outlining the leaf, next adding a light curved middle line into the leaf, and finally adding some more lines between the outline and the middle line of the leaf. Depending on which leaf shape I'm working on, I either connect the middle line completely to the outline or just make some strokes from the middle line in the direction of the outline, but not connecting them. For the final touch, I'm adding some dots with all my darker markers in between the leaves. And finally, I'm opening up the package because it's a thank you gift and I decided to let a thank you on the inside and also decorate it a little bit. And here we go, this is the final result and I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and see you next time. Bye!